Hey guys, if you guys want me to make another episode of Test Talk, which, if you guys know TED Talk, it's pretty much, the name's pretty much stolen. I pretty much stole TED Talk and just added ST and not D. Seriously, though, Test Talks, Test Talks. The name was inspired by TED Talk. So, yeah. If you want me to do another episode, let me know in the comments who you want me to do. If there's more than one person, I'll make a voting video to decide who I'll talk about. Whoever will get the most votes will be the first person to talk about, with a second getting to be talked about in the third episode and so forth. So yeah, see ya.